what's going on, everybody? It's your girl denaimariie. So today on my channel I'm gonna do a quick tooth caviar demo. So for those of you who don't know, I'm a licensed esthetician and I have an esthetician based business where I offer a few different beauty services, including brow waxing, brow enhancing, brow tinting, lash tinting, eyelash extensions, and a few other more services.
She propane, she know it, on fire, she the flame. I'm telling the truth, yeah, cause my baby the truth. I'm telling the truth, she know just how I like it, yeah.
About a year ago, I incorporated a service called Tooth Caviar. And basically, Tooth Caviar is a service that I provide where I give your smile a little bit of bling, a little bit of boom, a little bit of character, a little bit of pizzazz, you know, just so we don't just have this regular boring smile. Not to offend anyone if you don't have Tooth Caviar. I'm pretty sure you're beautiful, but if you do have Tooth Caviar, it definitely adds character to your smile, so it's the best. So basically what it is I apply, depending on what the client wants, I apply either Swarovski Crystal, diamond, or 22 and 24 karat gold gems. And it's a painless procedure. It literally takes like 10 minutes. It does not affect your tooth enamel. It does not damage your teeth. It does not interfere with your normal dental work that you may need to do, including your regular dental hygiene. It doesn't interfere with that. And it's painless, so it's a dope procedure. It's fast. It gives you so I used to actually have a Swarovski crystal here, and I removed it because I removed it for two reasons. One, I wanted to film me actually doing the procedure on myself. And then the second reason was because I want to put a 24 karat gold with a diamond gem on my tooth. And prior to that, I just had a Swarovski crystal. So I figured today would be perfect for me to come, do a little demo, show you guys kind of how I do it. I'm not going to give away all the secrets, but you'll see a little bit. You'll see the process of me applying the tooth caviar to my own tooth. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby. Anyway, alright. So let's just get right into this because I don't want to drag it out any much longer. I know what tooth I'm going to actually put it on. I'm going to do it on not my fane, but the tooth that's next to the first tooth. Normally, a lot of people put it on their fanes. I had it on my fane at one point. I don't want it there anymore. It was cute. I just want to try something different. So obviously, if I was performing a tooth caviar service on a client, I would have gloves on. I don't have gloves on right now because I'm doing it on myself. So yeah, I'm not gonna put gloves on. But normally, obviously, if you were doing it, if I was doing this on a client, I would definitely have gloves on. Yeah. So after you do the whole consultation and you have your client fill out the consent forms, you just get straight into the service, and the first thing you do is cleanse the tooth with alcohol. Whatever desired tooth you're going to put the tooth caviar on, that's the tooth that you want to cleanse. So I'm going to cleanse not my fane, but the tooth that's right next to the fane after.
That's good.
Normally with my clients, I would have them wear a mouth guard. I'm not gonna wear a mouth guard because obviously if I have a mouth guard in my mouth, you won't be able to understand what the hell I'm saying. So I'm not gonna use a mouth guard. But normally on the client, I would use this. How you doing? How you doing? How y'all doing? Oh my gosh. Can you guys understand me? Like, can you understand what I'm saying? I'm sitting. Isn't there a game that you can play where you have these in your mouth and you try to talk and you try to guess a word? I want to see you shine right. I want to see you shine bright. Shine bright like a diamond. shine like a diamond in the sky. Kidding. Enough with the game. So after you cleanse the tooth, the next step is to apply one of the bonding agents, bond the material to your teeth on your tooth, so that way obviously the Swarovski, the diamond, or the gem can stick to the tooth. Ugh, it tastes nasty. That's why you want to use the mouth guard, her clients, so they don't taste this. Once that's done, I put these bad boys on. Hey, bad boy, baby. Bad boy, baby. Bad boy, baby. And I start this process.
So at this point, I've already applied the tooth gem. I kind of skipped over that process, but at this point, the tooth gem has already been applied, and I'm using a second bonding agent to go ahead and seal it.
Alright, so now that I'm done filming the process, I'm going to zoom in a little bit and see if you guys can even see. I don't know if you'll be able to see the gem that I selected. I'll insert a selfie just so you can like have a better look of it, but I'm going to zoom in just to see if you guys can even see. I don't know if you guys can really see what it is, but it's a 24 karat gold heart and it has a diamond in the inside. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel and you have not already, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that button, post notification, gang, 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 gang. Well, I wasn't throwing up gang signs, I don't even know what I was doing. But yeah, make sure you hit the bell so you can turn on your post notifications, so that way you know when I post new content. I think that's it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Good vibes only. I'll see you on the next one.